Welcome to this video on how to find the derivative in your calculator. It's not going to find the derivative in general, but it will find the derivative at a particular point. If you have an older calculator, it'll come up a little bit differently than if you have a newer one. In the older operating system, you'll see n derivative, the eighth option down. You select that, put in your function. I'm going to use x squared as my function, and then use commas to separate your argument. So comma, x is my variable, comma, and then tell it where you want it to find the derivative, which is at 5. And I hit enter, and you can see that the value of the derivative of x squared at 5 is 10. If you have a newer operating system or a newer calculator, it will come up with a little bit different notation. It's still under math, it's still the eighth one down, but now it's going to say find the derivative of which variable. We're going to use x. The equation is going to be, again, x squared, and then it's going to say at x equals which value, and I'm going to use 5 again. And what you can see is the value of the derivative of x squared at 5 is 10. So obviously your derivative, the function here might be a little bit more complex, but that's how you do it. In the calculator, you can do some self-check, and you can find some questions that you might have otherwise have a hard time finding.